Welcome everyone to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to recover SoundCloud password. So for that, open the SoundCloud application at first. Then here on the home page you click on I already have an account. There on the sign in page you tap on forgot your password. Now to recover you need to type in your email address first. Then tap on reset my password. Now you need to go and check your mail. There's a mail from SoundCloud. You tap upon that. There you need to tap on click here icon on the mail to change the password. Now you type in the new password for the account. Retype the same password for the confirmation. Then tap on save. This will change the password for your SoundCloud. Now you can log in into the SoundCloud with the updated password of yours. Type in the email address, then type in the password, then tap on continue. And there you can see you have been logged in into the account very easily. So this is how you can recover SoundCloud password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.